go ahead and give me a super thanks. That will give you automatic entry into the future giveaway that I have prepared. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Ricardina. You can call me Rixie. If you like the vibe so far, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you clicked in this video, it's because you are looking for waxing tips at home. I am here to help you with that. I've been waxing myself for a few years now, so this is how far I let my hair grow, and that's about every 6 weeks. If I do not wax, my hairs grow pretty wild, and my skin tone even appears to be darker because my hairs are dark and dense in certain areas. In this video, I'll share how I wax my booty, and it's really easy. First and foremost, you will need a wax warmer. I recommend a digital wax warmer, that way you know exactly in which temperature you're in. I will then place this temperature at 120 Celsius degrees to warm up the wax beads that I have for this waxing session. So I've got these wax beads to wax the body and face at Amazon. It was about 20 euros and it lasted me a good 2-3 months, and I will also be finishing this wax. And if you have any questions about this wax and or are interested in trying it, go ahead and try it because it is pretty good. If you are interested in waxing at home, go ahead and really check out the shop at Thermowax because I've used several wax from them and I've never been disappointed. I found an amazing deal on Amazon where they were selling 1,000 popsicles for about 25 euros, so I decided to just do that. Now I will never run out of popsicles during my waxing sessions. The wax has melted. I'm gonna go ahead and set up the temperature to 63 degrees Celsius. That is and has been so far the best temperature for me to wax myself. Attention, when the wax is runny, red flag, do not use, it's very hot and you will burn. Green flag, when the wax is creamy. First, test it on your wrist, and if you feel that it's good on your skin, it's good. So let's go ahead and start in the bikini zone. Usually I start standing forwards, but this time I'm gonna share it from the perspective of when you are waxing yourself. The only thing you need to do is make sure that you have a chair where you can place your leg and be at a certain angle so that you can then apply the wax on your skin in direction of growth and remove in opposite direction. I am very eager to get these hairs out of my body, so I have started with the inner thigh. And I did do a quite thick strip and I just wanted to get them out, so yeah, this one took a while to get out, especially because it was the first one and the hairs are a bit dense in this area as well. So you must be quick and never surrender. You must get this wax out. Notice how one hand is holding my skin straight while the other hand is then applying the wax in direction of growth. To remove the wax, hold your skin firmly. Now, this is the part that many people have complications with when starting to wax their behinds, and this is pretty much all you need to do. You just need to lift your bum a little bit and make sure you have access to apply the wax where you have the hairs. Apply in direction of growth and remove in opposite direction. Really make sure you have one leg standing and one leg on top of a chair, and again, when you squat at a certain angle in front of the mirror, you can see exactly how your hairs grow, and you can then apply the wax in direction of growth, and then you remove the wax in the opposite direction, and voila. you managed to remove the hairs from your behind. And if you do that, I will be really happy for you. This is indeed the most exciting part because again, you can start outwards or you can start inwards in the frame of the booty cheek. I decided to start from inwards because I am very eager to get straight to the point and be hairless. In this waxing session, this was the method that worked best, but I assure you there are many more methods that I will be sharing in this channel in the future. Go ahead and give me a super thanks. That will give you automatic entry into the future giveaway that I have prepared. And to all my girlies who are considering whether you can do this or not, I'm telling you, girl, you can do it. If you can shave yourself, you can also wax yourself. And here is another way that you can also remove those unwanted hairs in between your booty. You can just lift your bum and apply the hair directly underneath the bum fold, and you start there and move your way up. This is pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm not entirely hairless yet, but I will then shave off the rest of the hairs because they're pretty thin to wax. And very important is moisturizing your skin. I'm using oil and also a niacinamide booster in order to fade away the dark spots that I have in my bikini area. I hope this video was helpful, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and give me a super thanks. That will give you automatic entry into the future giveaway that I have prepared. My name is Ricardina. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Yeah, and this is the reason why it's so worth waxing, you know. I just had one of the best summers of my life, and for this moment, every waxing session was worth it. Don't forget to find me on Instagram at RichieRay_. Business collaborations and future partnerships, you can email me at richieray.mgm@gmail.com.